Hello, how you doing, Regis students? What's really nice is I'm sure the microphone really makes an enormous difference. So, um, the again, you may have already completed Wi-Fi hacking, but what I wanted to do was I wanted to add the videos back to it, and because I have the correct microphone now. Thank you for your patience. But what Wi-Fi hacking is essentially, if you we take Wi-Fi for granted, and if you tether your phone, if you literally connect your phone to your computer when you're not inside a secure network like Regis, that is the safest. What this is exercises to do is to show you what is involved, all the different levels. There's like a lot. I know that it is a little big, it's a little chewy, but I just want you to have more of an essence understanding of seeing what big code looks like, seeing what logs look like, and then also understanding the principles of tethering versus Wi-Fi, the principles of VPN, the principles of higher level enforcement of security hardware keys, and understanding what it means to harden your network. And the collectively this is showing you, so there's like a little checklist exercise that you can query to help answer the question and answer. Okay, so we didn't make this complicated. That you are able to use the find over on the left hand side. If you hit the little find button, this find and replace, to answer the questions. For instance, it automatically I already had feedback in there, so it goes and it fills up the feedback. But since it already did this, it gives you your section, and it has 3 to 5 subsections, and it has an ASCII map describing how the things are working, and it's to show you how complex this is. And I thought it would be a nice diversion from root coding to something that we all just take for granted. It's very techy, it's very hard. There's a lot of cybersecurity that's all built into here. And so I do hope that you enjoy the learning and the exercise. I'm sorry this video, I try to make these be no more than 2 minutes. This was 2.5 minutes.